the Aire 2 TWS versus Apple AirPods 2. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will be taking a look at the Aire 2 TWS by Knockies and how they compare to Apple AirPods 2. The market has many models of AirPods clones and replicas, but this model stands out as it features wireless charging. The company sent this out for me to review. As always, I provide my honest and unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. On the left side we have the Knockies Aire 2, and on the right side we have the Apple AirPods 2. The Aire 2 comes with a user guide and a lightning cable for charging. The AirPods 2 comes with a user guide and a lightning cable as well. Comparing the boxes, you will notice that the AirPods box is slightly heavier than the Aire 2. But dimension-wise, they are almost identical. You can see the AirPods 2 with wireless charging printed and the Aire 2 printed on the side of the box. On the back of the box, you have the diagram for each of the devices. Just to go over some brief specs, the Aire 2 has 3.5 to 4 hours of listening and talk time, about 20 hours with the case. It uses Bluetooth 5.0, tap controls for access, charging case uses a lightning adapter, and it also has wireless charging. The Apple AirPods has 5 hours of listening time, 3 hours of talk time, more than 24 hours with the case. It uses Bluetooth 5.0, tap controls, and Hey Siri. The charging case uses lightning adapter, and it also has wireless charging. Both of the cases have a smooth glossy finish, and the AirPods 2 case is just slightly heavier. On the front of each case, you have the status LED light. On the bottom, you have the lightning ports for charging. On the back of the Aire 2 case, you can see that there are no markings, and on the AirPods 2, you can see the manufacturer markings. You also have the function or pairing button located on the back, and they seem to be at the same location for both of the devices. The metal latch has a dull finish on both of them as well. Comparing the lid between the two, you will notice that the Aire 2 lid feels just a little bit loose compared to the AirPods. Pressing the button on the back of the Aire 2 will give you the charge status. Depending on how many times it will blink, it will indicate whether it's 50% or 100% charged. You can also see the charge status on your devices as well. And here is a side-by-side comparison between the two. It's very hard to tell the difference. And now the earbuds side by side. You can see they are pretty much identical in the looks. Both have the ear indicators on the bottom of the stem. And here is a bottom view of the charging contacts. For playback controls, it's a matter of tapping on each side. Single tap, double tap, or hold will let you control the features. On the AirPods 2, you have that functionality as well, and also the Hey Siri, which doesn't require any touch. And now you can see the Aire 2 with the wireless charging feature. You can see it work as the LED on the wireless charger lights up. And now the AirPods 2. And you can see that work as well with the LED lighting up. Now let's take some measurements. The Air 2 case comes in at 1.7 by 2.1 by 0.8 of an inch. The AirPods 2 case comes in at 1.7 by 2.1 by 0.8 of an inch as well. The Air 2 earbuds is about 1.6 inches long, and the stem is about 0.2 of an inch. The AirPods 2 is about 1.6 inches, and the stem is about 0.2 inches. Weight-wise, the Air 2 case comes in at about 30 grams, and the AirPods 2 case comes in at 41 grams. The Air 2 earbuds are about 7 grams, and the AirPods 2 are roughly 8 grams. And now for some microphone samples. This is a test of the Air 2 TWS earbuds. This is a test of the microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a test from the microphone of the Apple AirPods 2. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. When it comes to video latency, both worked well and I didn't experience any. Distance for both devices were comparable and had good range. So here are my final thoughts, and I always say that sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. I have the Air 2 on my left ear and the AirPods on my right. When it comes to comfort, both are very comfortable since the form factors are identical. You can wear both for extended periods of time without feeling pressure in your ear canals. Build quality is okay on the Air 2. The lid, as mentioned, feels a little bit loose and doesn't feel as refined as the AirPods 2. You have a bit more weight on the AirPods 2, but not by much. Earbuds are basically identical in looks. When it comes to sound, starting off with the Air 2, the lows were okay. It does provide decent bass, but gets a bit muddy when you turn the volume up. The mids and highs were very clear and crisp, comparable to the AirPods 2. The AirPods was balanced all around, and it just had enough bass. It didn't get muddy like the Air 2. Mids and highs were very clean. Overall, it comes down to how much you are willing to spend. The Air 2s are a fraction of the price of the AirPods and offer many of the features. If you are going for that Apple look and feel and want to save money, then I would go for the Air 2s. But if you don't want to sacrifice quality and stuck on Apple products, then go for the AirPods. But the Air 2 definitely does not disappoint. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.